Hi and welcome. I'm Jason Barnard. I'm the Brand SERP guy, and today we're looking at the Brand SERP for Shore Oak, who are an internet marketing service in Brooklyn, New York. Looking over on the right hand side, they've got a great Google My Business, absolutely no problems there, delightful. But I wanted to focus on this here, the LinkedIn results. Now, LinkedIn is a strange beast. Because company profiles tend to get not very much engagement from the audience because LinkedIn tends not to promote them, I believe because LinkedIn is trying to encourage those businesses to spend advertising dollars, the people tend to dominate. For Kalicube, my LinkedIn profile, Jason Barnard, dominated for a long time, and it took us 6 months of hard work to get the company profile to replace my profile. And in this case, we've got Tom Casano, who has obviously been dominating, and now with these double results that Google's bringing back, it's also ranking the company. I would suspect this is in transition from the person who founded it ranking on the Brand SERP of the company and dominating to the company's profile from LinkedIn ranking on the Brand SERP, which I suspect is probably preferable for them and for their audience. Thank you very much.